Starting a financial services firm can feel like a mountain to climb, but it's completely doable with the right steps. So let's break it down and see how you can get started on this exciting journey. First up, you need a solid business plan. Think of it as your roadmap. What services will you offer? Who is your target audience? What makes you different from other firms? A well-thought-out business plan helps set the direction for your firm and can also attract potential investors or partners. Once that's sorted, you need to decide on the legal structure of your business. Are you going for an LLC, a corporation, or something else? This decision impacts your taxes, liability, and other aspects of your business. If you need help with the legal side of things, head to legalregistration.com. Next, you'll need to tackle licensing requirements. In the financial services industry, you can't just hang up a shingle and start offering services. You'll need to get the proper licenses, which can vary depending on where you're located and the specific services you plan to offer. This step is crucial to ensure you're operating legally. Don't forget about insurance. Having the right insurance policies in place protects you and your business from unexpected risks. Look into options like liability insurance and errors and emissions insurance to cover your bases. Now, let's talk about funding. Most businesses need some capital to get off the ground. Whether it's through savings, loans, or investor funding, calculate how much you need and make a plan to get it. Remember, every penny counts when you're starting out. Another big piece of the puzzle is setting up your office. This could be a physical office space, a virtual office, or even a hybrid model. Whatever you choose, make sure it's equipped with the technology and resources you need to serve your clients efficiently. As your firm grows, always keep an eye on scalability and automation to improve efficiency and manage increasing workloads. Marketing your firm is also key. You'll want to build a brand that resonates with your target audience. Consider creating a website, utilizing social media, and networking within your community. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly powerful in this industry. Lastly, always stay informed. The financial services industry is constantly changing, so keep up with the latest trends, regulations, and technologies. This not only helps you serve your clients better, but also keeps your business competitive. Starting a financial services firm is a big step, but with careful planning and the right resources, you can make it happen. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Good luck on your journey. And remember, legalregistration.com is here to help you with all your incorporation needs. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111.